Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. My name is Robert Ho, and I will be the instructor for COSC 1301, section S03 and S04. The class will start on June the 2nd, and since you will see me on June the 4th, so the first 2 days of the semester, student will complete the assignment online. All right. So let me show you what you need to do on June the 2nd. Okay. So when you log into Blackboard, you have a Start Here link folder, right? I will go over with you this section on Wednesday. However, you are welcome to browse and navigate through this link so that you are familiar with the course. Okay? Since the summer one is very short, so I would suggest that students take an active role in completing the assignment. All right? Okay, so without further ado, let me show you that what you need to do on June the 2nd on Monday. Okay, so please click module 1 link here. Okay, in this module, student will learn to create a slide presentation by adding slide content, applying design theme, and using slide transition. If you click this module 1 link, okay, and I have some overview about the module learning objective and to-do list. Okay, so the to-do list is the reading and the videos. You need to click this link. Okay, from this link, we have about maybe 20 units, right? 20 units. So on Monday, you can go through the first 10, 1 through 10, and then on Tuesday, on June the 3rd, you can review from unit 11 to 20. Okay, so let me go back again. So I'm gonna go here, right? So the to-do list, reading and the videos, right? Click this link and review and go over with the material. And the assignment to submit is discussion 1 and PowerPoint assignment 1. Okay, so let me close this section and then go to here, PowerPoint 1 assignment. All right, so go to the 3 dot here and download these files. Okay, so I'm going to go over with you so that you have so you're familiar with this one. Okay, all right, so okay, so let me see. I don't know what they ask you to do. So the first assignment is to create a PowerPoint presentation using the following slide title statement. Have one statement per slide and visit the link to add more details that are relevant to the titles on the slide, right? Impress me with your skill and try to implement as much as you can from the video. So basically, you will create 13 slides, right? Each of the slide contain this one, right? Containing this heading, okay? And then within the heading, you have a small section. You need to put a brief description about this one, okay? So let me show it to you. So create a 13 slide before typing any statement. Type the slide title statement below on the PowerPoint slide. Add more details that are relevant to the title slide. Add a theme and transition. Okay, so let me show it to you here. How to do that. I'm going to open the PowerPoint here. I will open this. Okay, and then go to the blank presentation. the first one and the second slide is this one, right? So the first slide, you probably can choose any of the design idea, right? You can choose this one, for example, or maybe just this one, okay? So let me got it. Let me redo again. File, new, right? When I click new blank presentation, I don't know which one that you want to choose. I think let me choose the simple one. I'm going to choose this one, for example, right? And then I'm going to follow the instruction here as they ask you. Let me see. The first one is introduction, right? So you're going to type here introduction, introduction, and then you're going to put your name here by your name, right? And the class is COSC1301. Your section is either S03 or S04, okay? And then you're going to put the date, right? Today's date, you're going to put like June the 2nd, okay, 2025. All right, so I'm going to do like that. Then you go to the next one, right? The next slide is home and new slide. Choose the title and the content, and then I'm just gonna follow the instruction here. We can ask getting started with a PowerPoint, right? Getting started with a PowerPoint. Okay, so you're gonna put the title here, getting started with the PowerPoint. Okay, how do you add the details here? Okay, the add details, let's go to this, let's go to the GCF Global and getting started. Perhaps we can choose this one, right? Let me see, getting started. First, you need to go to open. Okay, so I'm gonna choose from here. Let me see, click the button here, right? Okay, you go to here. Okay, getting started. Open the PowerPoint app from the computers, and then open the PowerPoint app from the computer, and then you go to file and then new, right? So let me see again. File, open like this, go to a blank presentation. All right, go to a blank presentation. So here, where is this? Where is that? Go to open the PowerPoint app and click the blank presentation. Okay, then enter your information and the class name. Okay, so open the PowerPoint app from the computer and click the blank presentation, then enter your information and class time. After that, click new slide and title and content. Click new slide, comma, choose the title and content. Choose the title and content. Okay. So that's how you're supposed to do. Okay. Then you go to the third one. The third one is understanding OneDrive, right? Here is understanding OneDrive. Okay, OneDrive, I believe, is one word. OneDrive is an online storage is an online storage created by Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft. Student can store files, pictures, and other info in the cloud, for example, right? Where can you get this information? You get the information from here. Okay, I'm gonna go back and then understanding OneDrive, right? It's a Microsoft online storage space, right? So OneDrive is Microsoft online storage that you can save, edit, and share your presentation and other file, right? You can use that statement too. So it's an online storage. It's a Microsoft online storage, right? That store the information in the cloud, right? So student can store file, picture, and other info. Okay, for example, okay, they ask you to do the animation, so you need to follow all of this instruction, right? Add a theme and transition, slide transition. You can use like this. You go to the transition, choose any of this that you like. For example, is split, right? Like that. Or maybe in the animation, you can choose this one, grow and turn, like that, all right? So you have to experiment and you have to explore with this tab, transition tab and animations tab. If you want to put the pictures, you're welcome to do. So you go to insert pictures, choose online pictures, right? Choose any picture that you like. For example, Apple. I can choose this one. Insert this. And then I'm going to adjust this. I'm going to adjust this, right? And you can put it over there, right? You can click here, say mark as decorative, and click OK. And then you can do the animation too. For example, swivel there. So if I click this, right there. Okay. All right. So that's the first assignment. Make sure you save this, right? Save the file, save as, I don't know what do they ask you here, the name. So you can save this. Let me see. The instructions say that save it. Save the presentation as PowerPoint 1. All right. So you can save this as PowerPoint 1. Okay. Save it as PowerPoint Lab 1. Okay. Enter this. Once you finish that, make sure you have 13 slides and then you close it and then upload it to the Blackboard. The second assignment for Monday is this one, right? Discussion, right? Click this discussion and read the information here. Please review your syllabus and the course and answer the following question. So you can click here and then type post. All right. So that is your assignment for June the 2nd. For Tuesday, you can start click on module 2, right? Make sure you read the information carefully, okay? I will be online here using this office hour, Pronto Messengers, okay? So you can send me a message and I will respond to your question as soon as possible, all right? So thank you so much, and hopefully that this video will help you in the first few days of classes. Thank you.